Unaitwaje?
Naitwa Matt.
Matt.
Yeah.
Umeskate for how long?
Tangu 2004.
2004.
Yeah.
Uko na skate noma jamaa. Hizi ni unique. Very unique man.
Yenyewe ni poa sana.
So una feel aje? Ni comfortable, weird ama ni the same kama ingine ya kawaida?
First time kuvaa ni kinda weird sababu unacheki zime angle na ndani.
Yes.
So kuna venye mguu inataka kupisa zingine. But shama ndio kuzoea. It's pretty much the same as the regular jeans.
So what about the speed? Iko na difference ama is it fast?
Way faster.
Okay.
Sababu ya nini? Mguu ni kubwa sana. Honestly, I would say sijafikia place penye naweza push mpaka limit.
Also you can do better than this.
Oh, definitely. Lando siku ya kwanza na skate nazo poa.
It's your first time now for this comfortable?
Yeah, I'm used to skating on the regular skates for, it's been many years.
Many years?
Yeah, but these are a little different for sure.
Okay.
And I like them.
You like them?
Yeah.
I'm so impressed, man.
Ziko poa sana.
So, any advice unaweza kwanza kupiga?
Easy, vaa skate, anguka kidogo.
Anguka kidogo. Ave skate. Ave skate alafu
vaa skate. Give it a shot, anguka kidogo.
So umeanguka?
Si saizi.
But ushaanguka?
Nishaanguka. The worst fall ni la mapro.
Mapro.
Because ukishakuwa pro you're so comfortable, unaenda speed crazy. Una skate kwa barabara sababu unajiamini. Then when you drop speed, something happens and boom.
It happens. Unaanguka kama wewe ni beginner.
Yes. But when you are a beginner, the only thing you do is sit down.
Sit down.
Because unaenda alafu unaanza kufanya hivi, you're not at speed, mkono chini alafu unaketi. It's never as serious as a beginner.
So what you're trying to say, when you are pro, when you fall, it's going to be very violent.
I have
unlike
seen
when
pros
you are
break bones and stuff.
But we don't advise that. So
yeah,
if you're a beginner, you have to wear your protective gears and stuff.
As much as possible, yes.
Sijui nikipata better shoes, unaweza kuja for a race. Mbona unakata race?
Mimi si pro kama wewe.
I'm not a pro. I'm just I know my way through skates. I'm not a professional.
Labda to exchange.
Okay.
Urace nazo because I'm sure you'll push them better than I can.
You can?
Yes.
I've never tried this. Honestly, I've never.
It's my first day. I got them recently now.
I have tried it, I think 2014. I tried it, but niliva only for one lap. It was very small.
Not an issue.
It's not an issue.
Nope. The last time niliskate hapa ilikuwa labda 2014 pia. Since then we skate kwa nyumba. See? So I was thinking nimesahau kuskate. Then I come in here this afternoon.
Very well. Let me ask you. Some people come and say, I did skate only like 4 years ago, 2 years ago. Is it possible for someone to forget how to skate?
I don't think so.
Once you know how to skate, you cannot
Once
forget.
you know how to skate, it's kind of like riding a bike.
Yes.
I don't think it can go away.
It will never. So these guys who say that I skated a long time ago, I can't do this now, they lie.
No. Well, first 2 laps, utakuwa na hiyo uoga.
Yes, you have
because
to
you're doubting your mind.
Yes.
The moment you get comfortable and you start moving,
you can just
it just comes back. You won't even realize it.
No matter how long you've skated or you've been
away from skating, there's no point unaweza sema I forgot how to skate. That's a scam.
I mean, 2014, my last serious skate.
It's now
right
7
here.
years. It's 7 years.
Yes. I skate in the house because I want to teach my kids to skate. I got some skates.
Okay.
So we will skate just kwa nyumba. Nothing matter. And it's more for them than for me. Then today I come in here and I'm doing laps. First 2 laps I felt like naanguka. But now I'm comfortable.
You're okay with it?
3 months like this.
I'm so grateful and thank you. Flash Skater. So you can tell people to subscribe to this channel, YouTube channel.
Yes, please. Tafadhalini. Please subscribe to the channel. Come join us in skating. It's a lot of fun, and I promise you're gonna have fun. Please come in, subscribe, ring that bell, get those notifications. Thank you very much. Asante sana.
wanadai.
Sawa, I'll hold you to that.
Have fun.
Haya, sawa.